In this video, I will show you how to log into Cashapp without phone or email. So once you open Cashapp on your device, you'll get redirected into the section where you need to provide your phone or your email on Cashapp. So if you actually don't have or lost access into that email or phone number that you've used to register on Cashapp, what you can do with that is to go ahead and open the app on the device where you still have access into your account. Click on the account icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and you'll be able to support section. Click on the support tab and that will redirect you into the support section. Click on account and settings and that will redirect you here. Click on that can't access old account and here you'll be able to find the information that will help you resolve that issue. But if that doesn't help, you can go ahead and click on that contact support button to contact Cashapp support customer service, help you resolve this issue. So once you click on that, in this section you'll need to explain the problem that you're experiencing on Cashapp to be able to receive a solution from the customer support on how you can resolve this issue, and that is basically how you can log into Cashapp without phone or email. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.